Good morning, students. In the previous video, I had introduced the chapter The Secret of Being Loved by All and read and discussed page number 131 and 132 of the chapter along with the meanings, phrases, and cross questions. So today, I will continue with the reading of the page number 132 and 133, and by the end of the video, you will be able to express story in your own words, meanings of difficult words and phrases, and answers of the related questions. Now let us have a recap of what I had discussed with you in the previous video. A man named Satyabhushan lived in Allahabad. He had a son named Ankit. He loved his son a lot and pinned all his hopes on him. He wanted him to be highly educated, but on the contrary, Ankit fell victim to the company of bad boys of his class. A day hardly passed when his father did not receive any complaint against him. Satyabhushan tried hard to get Ankit back on track, but all his punishments failed. In fact, the more he tried, the more wicked his son grew. Now let us continue with the reading of the chapter. Open your book, page number 132 and paragraph number 3. One day he called Ankit to his study and gave him a wooden board and some nails. He said, "Soni, I'm really sick of getting complaints against you every day from your school." Now underline the phrase of getting complaints against you and write down तुम्हारी शिकायतों से. All my efforts means attempts, to correct you, as you know, have failed. Now underline the phrase to correct you and write down तुम्हें सुधारने की. Now I want you to do me one favor. Underline the phrase to do me one favor and write down मुझ पर एहसान करने को. And favor means an act performed out of generosity or mercy. Hope you won't disappoint me this time. Disappoint means disheartened. Please drive a nail into the wooden board that I have given you just now, as and when there is a complaint against you. Now underline the phrase into the wooden board and write down लकड़ी के तख्ते में. Mind it. You shall not be provided with another board when it is full. Ankit gladly agreed to act as per his father's instructions. Gladly means happily. Instructions means order. Now underline the phrase to act as per his father's instructions and write down अपने पिता की हिदायतों के अनुसार चलने को. The thought that he would no longer be subjected to any kind of punishment or humiliation at the hands of his father made him very happy. He was a free bird now, he thought. Now subjected means forced into submission or controlled by others. Humiliation means state of disgrace. And underline the phrase to any kind of punishment and write down किसी प्रकार की सजा को. So now, as his father told him that he would not be scolded by his father, and what he had to do is he had to drive a nail into the wooden board whenever there was a complaint against him. And there was one thing that he had to keep in mind, that he would not get another board. Now let's continue. Now Ankit would just drive a nail into the wooden board as directed whenever there was a complaint against him. Soon the board was filled up with nails all around and there was no space left to drive further nails into it. So he decided to approach his father for further instructions in the matter. Approach means come close to. Now underline the phrase to approach his father and write down अपने पिता की तरफ जाने को. And underline the phrase for further instructions and write down आगे की हिदायतों के लिए. So now the board was full and Ankit wanted to ask his father what was the next instruction for him. Now come to next paragraph. When his father was busy reading the daily newspaper, he quietly entered his room and said, "Dad, the wooden board you gave me along with some nails the other day is now full with nails and there is no space left for me to put nails into it in future. What shall I do?" Now underline the phrase with some nails and write down कुछ कीलों के साथ. So now Ankit had come to his father to ask him what else should he do as his board was already full. Now come to next paragraph. The father looked at his son through his reading glasses resting on his nose and said, "Well, in that case, you can take out one nail from the board whenever you do something good to others, or there is a good report about you from your school." So now this is the second part of the plan of Satyabhushan. See, first he had told his son that he should drive a nail into the wooden board whenever he made a mistake, and in the second step, he told him that he could take out one nail whenever there was a good news about him, or you can say that whenever there was a good report about him. Now let us read further. Ankit felt greatly relieved at his father's suggestion. Relieved means stop being anxious and suggestion means an idea. Now see, by this he is forcing Ankit to do a good deed as well, because earlier the child was so naughty that there were only complaints against him. Now let's continue. Now he would spend hours thinking what good deeds he could do every day to be able to get the nails out of the board. Now deeds means acts. So see, now the child's energy is diverted to positivity. He is thinking of the positive things he could do. So the father's idea was actually successful. His constant attention to his desire of doing at least one good turn every day made him very happy to find one day that all the nails from the board had gone away, leaving the board clean. Now constant means continual and steady. So he was so eager to remove those nails that he started doing good deeds, and finally one day he removed every nail from it. So, think about this, children. How many good deeds he must have done. A child who was very naughty because of his father, he had now started doing good deeds. Now come to next paragraph. Ankit rushed to his father to show him the clean board. Showing the board to him, Ankit said, "Look, father, the board is clean now. There are no nails in it." Satyabhushan, feeling very happy at this discovery means finding, said, "Yes, Soni, I am very happy to see your board. Now let me see how you can remove the scars left by the nails." Scars means marks left due to damage. You can do it easily, but it requires you to do at least 2 to 3 good turns every day. Are you prepared for it? Yes, Dad, I am sure I can do it. So in this way, Satyabhushan was able to channelize Ankit's energy in positive way and his idea of wooden plank or boat was finally very successful. So now let us discuss some cross questions. What was the idea suggested by Satyabhushan? Satyabhushan gave Ankit a wooden plank and some nails and suggested him to drive a nail whenever he did a wrong deed. Next question. What warning did Satyabhushan give to Ankit? Satyabhushan warned Ankit that he wouldn't get another boat. Then why was Ankit happy? Ankit was happy because he would no more be subjected to beatings or scoldings of his father. What happened after some time? After some time, Ankit's boat was full of nails and there was no space to drive another nail. What did Ankit do then? Ankit came to his father for further instructions. Now the next question is, what instructions were given to Ankit by Satyabhushan? Satyabhushan told Ankit that he could pull out a nail every time he did a good deed. What change was seen in Ankit with this experiment? Ankit had started thinking of good deeds that he could do so that he could pull out nails from his board. Was Satyabhushan successful? Could he change Ankit? Yes. Satyabhushan was successful because finally one day Ankit was able to remove all the nails from the board by doing good deeds. He had channelized his energy into positive things. What was the last instruction given by Satyabhushan? After all the nails were gone, there were some scars on the board. Satyabhushan told Ankit that even the scars would go if he would do at least 2 to 3 good deeds every day. So here the chapter ends. I hope you all understood the chapter. Your homework is to read the chapter again and revise word meanings, phrases, and back exercises. Thank you.